Hi everyone, I'm Chef Tony from HomeHeadChef, and today we're making a beef teriyaki lo mein. Now this isn't a traditional lo mein, it's my interpretation of one, and you can really put any vegetables or anything that you like in it. Ours is going to have carrots and mushrooms, and we're going to stir fry them up in the wok with the lo mein noodles. So let's get cooking. Alright, for this recipe you're going to need some lo mein noodles. I'm using the dry ones. We're going to pre-cook these via the instructions first because we want to have everything done once we go to the wok because it's not going to take long. Some mushrooms, soy sauce. I have some julienne carrots, garlic, cornstarch, brown sugar, and about a pound and a half of our sirloin steak, sliced thin. First thing we want to do is make up our little marinade for the beef. Let's go in soy sauce. That looks good right there. A little bit of brown sugar, not too much. A little bit of garlic. Give that a stir. A little bit of cornstarch as well because this is going to help coat the beef as we're cooking it. Now we're going to go in with our beef. Give this a little toss. Get it all well coated, and we're going to let it sit and marinate for about 15 minutes or so. While that's marinating, we're going to cook up the noodles, and we're going to work on the sauce for in the wok. Alright, and for the sauce in the wok, we're going to do just about the same thing. Some soy sauce. Garlic. You can add ginger or sriracha or anything like that that you would like. I like my teriyaki to be a touch sweeter than most. Alright, let's go with a little bit more soy. And some more cornstarch. Just a little. Get that mixed in. Let's get our wok nice and hot. I'm going to go in with a couple teaspoons of oil. Once that gets nice and hot, we're going to go in with the vegetables first. I'm not sure if you can see that, but the oil is lightly smoking, so we're going to go in with the carrots. Going in with the carrots first. Now we're going to give this about 2.5 minutes to cook till they get soft. Alright, those are looking great. Push them to the side. In with our mushrooms. Give these a nice little saute as well. Now, like I said, you could really go with any vegetables or protein that you want with this. It's yours to get fancy with. Alright, that's looking good. Just push the vegetables to the side and in with the beef. Now since the beef is sliced so thin, it won't take long to cook. Maybe about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Alright, the beef is just about done. We're going to go in with our sauce. Just want to cook this for about another minute until it starts to thicken up. Now in with our lo mein noodles. Let's get the noodles nice and coated with that sauce. Give this about another 30 seconds, and then we're going to plate it up and get a taste of it. All right, let's dive into this. It's amazing. Carrots are cooked perfectly. So are the mushrooms. The sauce is amazing. Look at that beef. It's absolutely amazing. It's tender. Falls apart in your mouth. Just a secret, I think this is better than a Chinese restaurant. I recommend you give it a try. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I got some good stuff. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.